Hello everyone in Math 510 Business Statistics. I'm Will Baker and today we're going to be discussing data from the company CrushIt. We're going to be comparing the data over its four regions, which would be Canada, the northern, middle, and southern regions of the U.S. All data comes from the assignment 3 data sheet. We're also going to be looking at 5 specific KPIs. They include revenue per employee, net profit, net promoter score, staff advocacy score, and relative market share. So let's get into it. One thing that I see consistencies over the charts is that the southern region seems to be doing better than the others, closely followed by Canada, and on the opposite end, we got the middle region, and you're going to see that they need to make some changes. They need a lot of work. So let's start out with revenue per employee. We got the southern region leading the way, followed by Canada. Canada actually has improved the most. They improved from year 1 to year 2 by 12.5%, while the southern region improved by 8.6%. The third highest revenue per employee would be the northern region, but they did pretty well as far as their improvement from year 1 to year 2, improving by 8.3%. And then we have the middle region, which actually went down by 4.5%. Next, we're looking at net profit. We got the northern, middle, and southern region, all in year 1 making $1 million net profit. Year 2, though, the southern region was the only one that sustained that $1 million net profit. The northern and middle regions, they decreased by 50% from year 1 to year 2. Canada remained at $500,000 from year 1 to year 2. As far as the net promoter scores go, and this is where we start to see the pattern of the middle region really needing help. They actually decreased by 20% over the course of year 1 to year 2. And once again, we have the southern region, and Canada improving the most at 84 and 83%. As far as the staff advocacy scores go, once again, we got the middle region decreasing by 22% over the course of going from year 1 to year 2. We have Canada leading the way, followed by the southern, then the northern region. So that middle region, they don't seem to have a lot of customer support or staff support. So there's a lot of changes that need to be made, and they just might need to completely start from scratch or something. I don't know. But there's a lot that needs to be done. Staff advocacy score and the net promoter score are both decreasing. So something's going wrong. We got to fix that. As far as the relative market share for each region, Southern is owning that market share. They improved by 96%, going from 1.36 in year 1 to 2.26 in year 2. Next, of course, you already know, or you should by now, we have the middle region on the opposite end. They actually decreased by 17%. So, the competition there is really beating them out. They really got to make some changes. That's just what it boils down to. And then we have the northern region coming in second place, improving by 11%. So, they're gaining steam on the competition in that region. And we have Canada, who has made I guess you could call it the smallest improvement since the middle region didn't improve at all. So there's probably a lot of good businesses, a lot of competition around there in Canada, but they're still doing well and they're still improving as well. So we got the southern region doing the best, followed by Canada, Rounding that is the northern region, and the middle region really, really needs some help.